Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a message on WhatsApp. To begin, open the WhatsApp chat containing the message you wish to remove. Then, long press on that specific message until it is highlighted. A menu will appear at the top of your screen, presenting various options for handling the selected message. This initial step is the same regardless of whether you want to delete it only for yourself or for all participants in the chat. Once your message is highlighted, look for the trash can icon at the top of your screen. Tap this icon to reveal the deletion options. You will then see the choice to delete for me. Selecting this option will immediately remove the message from your personal chat history. Remember, this action only affects your view, and the message will remain visible to anyone else in the conversation, appearing just as it did before. To remove a message for everyone, long press the message and tap the trash can icon again. This time, choose Delete for everyone from the menu. This action requires swiftness. You have about 2 days and 12 hours to use this feature after sending a message. Once selected, the message will vanish from everyone's view in the chat. This powerful tool is ideal for correcting errors or removing information you no longer wish to share. After successfully deleting a message for everyone, the original content is replaced with a clear notification for all chat members. Instead of the message you sent, everyone in the conversation will see this message was deleted. This serves as an acknowledgement that a message was previously there, but has since been removed by the sender. While the content is gone, the presence of this notification ensures transparency about the deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.